quiet, powerful, and precise. The Sun Joe SPX 3000 is here to handle all your cleaning tasks without the noise. The Sun Joe SPX 3000 isn't just any pressure washer. It's your all-in-one solution for efficient, quiet power. With 2030 psi of pressure and a 1.2 GPM flow rate, this machine tackles grime, mildew, oil stains, and rust, leaving your surfaces spotless. What sets it apart? It delivers this power with far less noise than gas-powered models, perfect for those who want performance without the headache of sound. At its core is a 14.5 amp motor that packs the punch to clean everything from your driveway to your deck, even your RV and boat. You're equipped with 5 quick connect nozzles, giving you flexibility for every task, from a pinpoint blast with the 0 degrees tip to a wide spray with the 40 degrees tip. And when it's time to lather on some soap, the dedicated soap nozzle ensures you can coat surfaces for a deep clean. The dual onboard detergent tanks are a game changer. With 2 0.9-liter tanks, you can switch between different cleaning agents in seconds, perfect for tackling grease on the driveway 1 minute and giving your car a gentle wash the next. The detergent selection dial makes switching easy, so you're always in control. When it comes to construction, Sun Joe doesn't compromise. This washer is built with a 34-inch stainless steel lance and solid brass fittings, giving you durability and leak-free performance every time. The 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord allow you to reach further without constantly moving the machine, and its lightweight design at 24.3 pounds makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around the yard. Add in rear wheels, and portability is never an issue. For those who care about energy efficiency and longevity, Sun Joe's Total Stop System, TSS, is key. The pump automatically shuts off when you release the trigger, preserving energy and extending the washer's lifespan. Less power wasted, longer-lasting performance. You won't have to deal with the hassle of gas or the clunkiness of heavier models. This pressure washer is compact, powerful, and quiet, a rare combination that makes it a top choice over its competitors. It's the ideal pressure washer if you want maximum cleaning power with minimum disruption to your environment. Need even more control? The best Westinghouse pressure washer is ready to play on the screen now.